Hi, it's Ticket Seller. Just want you to see something here. It's very relaxing. I hope I don't fall in. It's the backyard where I lived before I left Chicago. My daughter sent this to her dad. There's a bunch of fish in here. A lot of plants. Nice waterfall. The water looks murky, but it really isn't. It's actually rather clean. It's very relaxing out here. It's beautiful at night. This is my, today's Thursday. I have tomorrow. And then Saturday I go back. I'm going to be upset about that. Anyway, I'll be living either up there or here. This is my ex's building. And let me get another angle. Nice place to sit down. Listen to the water. Look at the scenery. I love this tree, by the way. I found a really good angle to look at it. So when I retire, this is where I'll be temporarily. Or maybe for the rest of my life, I don't know yet. Hope you enjoyed this. It's really relaxing.